Hi guys, welcome to Pabbly Connect workshop. So in this video, we will learn how to integrate Shopify and Zoho CRM. Our use case is pretty simple. When a new Shopify customer is created, it will create a contact in Zoho CRM. Now Shopify is an e-commerce platform where you can sell your stuff online. And Zoho CRM is an excellent customer relationship management tool. So what we are going to do is, we are going to send the data from Shopify to Zoho CRM. But there is one minor problem. The integration between Shopify and Zoho CRM is very limited. In cases like these, we need to bring a third app to connect them both. So in this video, we will be using Pabbly Connect to integrate Shopify and Zoho CRM. And the best part of using Pabbly Connect is, there is no need for coding skills or programming language. It can be done in 2 easy steps. Let me show you on my screen. Okay, so first of all, you have to visit the website called as pabbly.com. Pabbly.com. Press enter. Then hover on products and you will find the option called as connect at the bottom. This is the connect. Click this. So at the right corner, you will find the button called as sign in. Click this. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. As you can see, I already have an account in Pabbly Connect. You can build your own account in just 2 minutes. Now scroll down and in the connect part, just click on access now. Again at the right corner, you will find a button called as create workflow. Click this. So I'm going to give a name to this workflow. The name is Shopify to Zoho CRM. Then click on create. When you click on create, a window appears in front of you. This is called as the trigger window. Here in the choose app, let's make it as Shopify. In the choose method, since we are interested in creating a customer, let's keep it as new customer. New customer, this one. Now, new customer is basically a trigger. So your obvious question is, what is a trigger? Trigger is a if statement. It asks a question, if the condition is met, what should be done? For example, if a new customer is created, then what action should be taken by the system? Actually, there are many more triggers like this, like new checkout, new cart, new order, order cancelled, new refund, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the trigger of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific trigger that you want to make. Okay, but at present, I'm only interested in making a new customer. So let's keep it as new customer. So what we are trying to do is, we are trying to connect Shopify to Pabbly Connect. So let me show you my Shopify. Here, since we are going to integrate Shopify to Pabbly Connect, let's go to settings. And here you will find the option called as notifications. Click this. Now this is the notifications page. Scroll down and you will find the option called as webhooks. Now we are going to create a webhook. So that is why just click on this button called as create webhook. So a pop-up window appears in front of you. Here in the event, change it from cart creation to customer creation. The format will remain same as JSON. Now comes the most important part, the URL. To get the URL, just go to Pabbly Connect and copy this. This is the webhook URL you want and paste it here. The webhook API version will remain same. Then click on Save Webhook. Okay, so it is showing that the webhook has been saved successfully. So basically this means that Shopify is now integrated with Pabbly Connect. Now since Shopify is integrated to Pabbly Connect, let's see whether Pabbly Connect can capture any data from Shopify. To do that, let's go to Pabbly Connect and click on this button called as Capture Webhook Response. Click this. Okay, so it is showing that it is waiting for a data. So let's go to Shopify. Let's go to our online store and let's make a dummy customer. So let me log out of my old account. Let's go back. Let's go to create account. Okay, so the first name is, let's say, Stalin. And the last name is, let's say, Lenin. The email is stalinrussia123@gmail.com. The password is, let's say, something random. Okay, then click on create. Of course, I'm not a robot. Then click on submit. Okay, so a person called as Stalin has created an account in Shopify. So let's see whether Pabbly Connect has captured this data or not, because Pabbly Connect is now integrated with Shopify. Okay, so let's see. Yes, the data has been captured. So the email of this person is stalinrussia123@gmail.com. The first name is Stalin, the last name is Lenin. So our integration is a success. We have connected Pabbly Connect to Shopify. Now we have to sync this data to Zoho CRM. To do that, just click on this plus button. So when you click on this plus button, another window opens up. This is called as the action window. Here in the choose app, change it to Zoho CRM. This one. In the choose method, since we are interested in creating a contact in Zoho CRM, let's keep it as create a contact. Now create contact, add tag to contact, all these are called as the actions. Okay, there are many more actions like create lead, find or create lead, okay, add tag to a contact, add tag to lead, and so on. However, in case if you don't find the action of your choice, you can make a request to our team at admin@pabbly.com for the specific action that you want to make. Okay, so at present, let's keep it as create a contact. Then click on connect with Zoho CRM. In select your credentials, let's keep it as new credentials. In authorize application, just click on connect with Zoho CRM. So it is asking for your domain. So basically it is zoho.com. Okay, let me show you my Zoho. It is zoho.com. Okay, this one, zoho.com. So just paste it. Okay, then click on done. So it is asking me access to the account. So just click on accept. So while they are working on authorization, let me tell you something. Pabbly Connect doesn't take any chances with your data. Your data is 100% safe with us. Okay, so our authorization is completely successful. Just click on OK. Okay, so as you can see, a set of blanks has appeared in front of you. The purpose of this blank is that when we fill in this blank, it will create a prototype of the contact. So in the lead source, since we have got the data from online store, let's keep it as online store. Now this button is called as the mapping button. So in the first name, we are going to map in the name of the person. So it was Stalin, I guess. The first name, yes, Stalin. This is something that we received from Shopify via Pabbly Connect. The last name, again we are going to map it. The last name was Lenin. The email required, let's map in the email, that is stalinrussia123@gmail.com. Now coming to the rest of the details like title, department, phone, fax, mobile, date of birth, etc. Obviously you may remember that my Shopify, let me show you my Shopify, okay, registration page had only 4 blanks to fill: the first name, the last name, email, and the password. That is why I don't have any data for let's say assistant phone, email opt-out, and so on. Okay, so let's just assume that we have mapped all these fields. If you want to map all these fields, you should consider building a comprehensive Shopify customer registration page. I had made only a simple Shopify registration page with only 4 fields. Okay, so rest of the data is assumed to be filled. Just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the API response is showing that the data has been sent to Zoho CRM. So let's check in Zoho CRM whether we have a person called as Stalin. Yes, so let's go to contact. Yes, there is a person called as Stalin. His full name is Stalin Lenin and the email is stalinrussia123@gmail.com. This means Shopify and Zoho CRM is now perfectly integrated with each other with help of Pabbly Connect. So let us double check it with help of another detail in Shopify. Let me fill another detail in Shopify. But before that, let me show you the whole process in a nutshell. So let me minimize this and let me minimize this. Okay, so this is the whole process in a nutshell. First, you integrated Shopify to Pabbly Connect. Then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Zoho CRM. Now there is a perfect flow of data between Shopify and Zoho CRM. Okay, so let's go to our Shopify store. This time I'm going with, let's say, Luther. And the last name is Clark. The email address is supervillain123@gmail.com. Something random. And password again, as usual, something random. Then click on create. Of course, I'm not a robot. Then click on submit. Okay, so let's see whether we have a contact called as Luthor in our Zoho CRM. So let's refresh this. Yes, there is a person called as Luther Clark. This means that our integration is working absolutely fine. So from now onwards, whenever a new customer is created in Shopify, it will be reflected in Zoho CRM. Not just these two apps, you can integrate a plenty of applications using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our dedicated team members will help you to automate your workflows. Or just visit us at www.pabbly.com. It's awesome.